my channel. It's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana, and today I'm going to be doing a hair review once again, back to back, you know, trying to get y'all hooked up on these pieces and links and bundles of clip-ins that I got today. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review featuring Sasina hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it's going to be some curly clip-ins, and I haven't had curly clip-ins in a while, and I actually do really miss them. So we're gonna see how that works. And excuse the shadows, I got a lot of stuff going on. You see me in the back. But so right now I'm just gonna give you my initial review so far, and then tell you what I got, what they sent me, and I will show you how I install it. And if you guys have seen my last clip-in tutorial, I'm gonna install it the same way. So y'all, I always do half up half down clip-in tutorials because I just love my hair like that. So yes, Sasina hair, here we go. So this is the company, Sasina hair. It has their email and their website on the back. I will check again in the email what I said, what links I got, but I'll also put everything in the description box down below, including their websites and everything. I also have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you look in the description box if you really enjoy this hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna open it right now. I'll open it up here, all awkwardly. Oh, look how cute. Oh, this is really cute. It says, let me show y'all. It says thank you, and it has their little website, Sasina hair, or where it says the search bar right here. It's really cute. It just says a welcome and all that. So I got 16 and 18 and the kinky curly clip-ins, and I got the color burgundy. You guys, I've been feeling burgundy, so we're gonna keep moving forward with burgundy. And it looks brown in the packaging, but this is how it looks. Comes in a plastic. I like it because it's suitable to put away whenever I'm not using it, so yes. Oh my god, they sent me eyelashes. They a real one. Oh, I love that. And they sent me a white tooth comb. Oh, I'm so freaking happy. I love it. They also sent you 2 extra clip-ins, and I believe that's going to come in both packages. So I'm not sure if another package has another white tooth comb and eyelashes, but we'll see. It does. Wow. How freaking cute. They put all these in every single one. I love that, you guys. Okay. So far I'm feeling really good about this hair. I will get back to you guys with the install, but these are 2 bundles. I believe they come in pieces. So feeling it, I know they have clip-ins. I haven't taken it out yet, but I will show you guys. But right now I need to charge my camera so I can show you guys the full effect and all that. So I'm going to get ready to wash my hair, deep condition it, and then by nighttime I will be installing, and hopefully it'll dry in the morning and, you know, it'll pop how I want it to. So if you enjoy this video so far, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell button so you get all the notifications every time I upload, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey again, y'all. So this is just Sasina hair showing you the box and everything that came in it. So this is the thank you card, the hair, and then you have the white tooth comb and the eyelashes along with the extra clip-ins just in case any clip-ins happen to fall out. Then you have the instructions. So now I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like. The hair was really soft right out the packaging. It's super ombre, super cute, lovely, nice. And I really love the curly texture of it. It looks like curly fries, but as soon as you just brush it out, you know, detangle, add your curling smoothie, then it'll all come together. Wearing it naturally out the package isn't bad either, just saying. It just looks like some curly fries. But this is how organized the package was. It had like 3 of each clip-in, I believe. I don't know. Well,
y'all saw for yourself. So that's what one package looked like. So now I am currently just washing the hair. Well, not really washing. Yeah, I can't talk today. I am just detangling the hair. I didn't decide to shampoo it or anything because it didn't have a stench to it, and the conditioner was gonna make it smell good anyway. So I just added the conditioner, detangled, and it's very, very soft and bouncy, and I did not get a lot of shedding at all. The shedding was very minimal, which was what I really liked about the company. So now you can see I have my hair in 4 braids, and I'm just going to twist 2 braids up and bobby pin it to one side, and then I'll do the same to the other. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. You just open up the clip-ins and clip them onto your braids or hair, however you want to do it. It's super easy. I just detangled each clip-in before I put it in, and then as I put in the clip-ins, I detangled also because it did get a little frizzy, but once you detangle it again, you're all good and set to go. And I like to wear a half up, half down style when I wear clip-ins, so you're gonna see how I installed it into the top part of my head. So here I just parted my hair at the top and I clipped in some clip-ins. Then I parted it again, a little section, probably an inch before it, and I applied another small clip-in to it. Now I'm just going to smooth my hair and brush it up, and then you'll see what's going to happen next. Detangling your hair is very important because I could have defined my hair and made it blend in, but I know my hair and it's probably going to get poofier than this hair, so I didn't want to take the risk. But it's very important that you detangle this and then you part your hair into 2 sections and you twist it up. So that's exactly what I did. I hope y'all saw it. It was in a fast motion. But you also see me detangling right now, and then I'm going to be twisting it up, adding some cream and making sure it's moisturized. And then after that, I'm just going to twist those twisted sections around the ponytail. So this is how it looks right after. It's very soft, very bouncy. It's not completely dry yet, so I'm gonna come to y'all after school tomorrow and show y'all how it looks.
Yes, you should get it right away. I have a discount code link right here, okay? Well, not link, code right here on the screen and in the description box if you want to copy and paste when you purchase. Because, girl, you know you want some of this, okay? So, all the information about this hair will be in the description box below. My overall thoughts about this hair, it's just so amazing. It's very, very soft. Like, I think that's the best thing about this hair, that it's very, very soft. Oh my god. And the other best thing is that it doesn't shed a lot at all. Like, you can comb a million times and it's not going anywhere. Like, it's on the weft, it's sealed there. You don't even have to seal the wefts. It was so good. So Yeah, the color is burgundy, and I'm really loving the burgundy curly hair. It looks so good. It's an ombre kind of burgundy, if you can tell. You see how it goes black and then burgundy. So yeah, so I believe this hair is 16 inches. On the box I was looking and it didn't even say the lengths, but I will email them and let you guys know in the description box so you guys have an idea of what you may or may not want, so in terms of the lengths. And another thing, if you're gonna do like a full clip-in head, I would suggest you get 3. They sent me 2, but I didn't even do the whole head. I only put like 4 pieces of clip-ins up here and the rest is in the back. And honestly, I kind of do wish I had at least like 3 more clip-ins to use, because I'm just a little nervous, like if my clip-ins are showing in the back part, I have to space them out a bit. So that was a little struggle. Well, that was a little struggle, but it's cool because the looks all came together. It doesn't dry slow. It definitely will dry in one day. I went to sleep late, so it was cold last night, so that's probably why I didn't dry as fast. But during the day, this is what it gets like, and it's 100% dry. I really love it. I love it, and I'm starting to explore more colors. So, oh God, if I really want to dye my hair, it might be this color, because oh, you see how it just complements the skin. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the description box. All of Sesina Hair's information will be in the description box, so if you want to contact them about this hair, let them know, say where you got it from and all that good stuff. Don't forget about the coupon code in the description box and on the screen. You can rewind, I'll put it again, here you go. Yeah, and I really love this hair. I had no problems with it. I'll probably just buy 1 more pack, that's it. Other than that, everything else is good. It smells great. It's thick. It's nice. I loved how they also organized the clip-ins. They had like 3 sets of each, and I showed you guys that so in the video. So keep on watching, and these are my overall thoughts. I'm gonna show y'all the opening video and everything. So peace out. Love y'all. Bye.